Hello everybody. We now arrived to Pescadores Suite Hotel something, and this is the room. This is the front door, so we get in, turn around. Here we got the bed straight in, purifier, the wife not so purified, and we got the we got some chairs and a cooker, and yeah, that's nice. And the aircon that's working. Yeah. Big bed. Little ref. A safe.
For a coffee?
Oh, the safe. Maybe there is something inside it. No. Can you plug it in? So it will be cold.
You say please.
I say please. That's important. This is no smoking room.
There is Korea?
Of course, that's the Holy Bible. It's very holy, this place. Then we got the CR, toilet. Yeah, it is what it is. And a shower. That's it. That's it. A little shampoo, toothbrush, whatever. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. I like. Outside we got some other things for later. Bye.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly
Andito na kami sa resort, guys, and then we're gonna check. May ano daw dito, game room. Check natin, game room. Ganda dito, promise. Room ng resort. Nice. Ganda, guys, pero 2 days lang kami dito, 2 nights. 2 nights actually and 3 days. So, ang dami palang pwedeng gawin. Pwede mag-swimming, pwede dito maglaro. Pero hindi ako marunong mag-billiard. Pero we can of course practice. Martin's there. Ganda. Medyo maulan lang siya ngayon. At mahangin, but it's fine because we're not gonna go swimming today. We just arrived. So, yun. Yan yung labas. Super. Ang haggard. But anyway, so yun nga, guys. Kadarating lang namin dito from Cebu City going here in Moalboal. It took us 3.5 hours para makapunta dito. It's called Pescadores Suite. Pescadores Suite Hotel? Oh, parang ganon. So, ano din, maganda din, medyo, ewan ko ba kung mahal o hindi mahal, pero yung other side nito is called Love Resort. Tapos, which is cheaper, Love Resort or here?
This was cheap, I think.
Okay. So, it's so nice kasi,
Same price.
I don't know, but anyway, across nito is yung Love Resort at naka-try na din kami ni Martin dun 2 times, and actually I have to say mas maganda dito sa Pescadores Suites kasi may dalawa silang swimming pool na ang isa is pang bata, ang isa naman pang adult, so pwede, and then dun sa Love's Resort parang pang 6 feet yung ano, so medyo pang 6 feet yung height doon ng swimming pool, kaya yeah, hindi pwede sa akin, hindi ako marunong lumangoy, I'm only 4'10", so yun. Dito, pwede mag-swimming kasi abot ko yung swimming pool nila. And then, nakita ko din yung ano nila, yung food menu. Hindi din gaano kamahal kumpara sa other restaurants. So, pwede din. Medyo masarap yung pagkain nila. Pakita ko. O, yan. Ito yung, nandito kami ngayon. Ilang ba makita nyo? Pescadores. Ito yung parang restaurant menu nila. And it's yumsy. Gusto ko ng mga dumplings. Meron 300 kroner. Meron 300 kroner, 300 pesos, 200 pesos. May 130 din na barbecue. Potato moho, I don't know. But yeah, fish cake. Ewan ko, I don't like fish cake. So, may spicy ramen din sila 200. Actually, medyo mahal-mahal din. Nakita ko kasi ganina ito, 50 pesos na miso soup. So, gusto ko yan. Na-try ko yan mamaya konti. May wonton din. Chicken. Mommy Madness. Tapos, may mga pasta. Spaghetti pasta. Yung mga prices is nasa 180 pesos. Okay na presyo yan. Pizza, 200. Okay din. Try natin dito. Squid series. Gusto ko sana pero hindi pwede kasi yung mukha ko ay magsuswollen. Allergy na ako sa mga ganyan, guys. And then we got this one, the normal Filipino food. Ito yung silog. Definitely my favorite. Hindi ko pa ito nakain dito pero pag mga nguyong-nguyong, siomai, paborito ko yan. Yan yung mga namimiss kong pagkain dito. And then my pork ribs din. 270 pork barbecue, yummy din. Feeling ko lang yummy. Sa picture, mukhang yummy naman. And then there is the chicken, obviously. Martin would love to eat chicken. Yun yung mga kinakain niya dito. May mga winter spice wings. Yeah, buffalo chicken wings. Drinks nila. Ang gusto ko dito itong mga slushes. Charing areng. Coffee, mura din. Ano pa ba? Yun. Ito, never ko pa na-try pero lagi ko ito nakikita sa mga Korean drama, ganyan. Ito-try ko yan. For sure, sa pag-stay namin dito. And then, yeah, and then, ito yung mga ito-try ko. Matcha. Gusto ko yan. So, yun.
Det är märkligt att det är så svårt.
Yumsy?
Okay. Den här. Den har varit död många gånger.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids and
Hello guys, nasa kwarto na naman kami. Tapos na kaming kumain pero hindi ganun ka-satisfied si Martin sa pagkain. So, ano daw, magsiswimming na muna siya, and then afternoon ay maglalakad-lakad kami dito papuntang Panagsama. Yun yung place na parang may mga restaurants and bars, ganyan. So parang 8 to 10 minutes walk lang daw from here. So yun yung gagawin namin. But right now, mag-swimming na muna. Yeah, so guys, feeling ko talaga parang nag-holiday talaga kami. I mean, sa Cebu City, maganda din naman kasi meet yung family ko, kumain kami sa labas, ganyan. Pero, alam mo yung traffic, na, basta traffic lagi. Pero dito, nare-relax ka na, swimming pool, tapos dagat dyan, tapos dyan kami nag-stay. So, upo lang muna ako dito, and by Friday, darating din yung family ko, but then it's gonna be in different place, yung more of pang family talaga yung lugar, and more affordable somehow. So, yun yung mangyayari. So, I'm happy kasi I'm able to experience these things. Hindi lang parang work lagi.